Hey guys, so we have here our JBL Go 4, and this is the fake version of it. So this is not a real genuine JBL product. This is a fake Go 4, and in this video I want to explain to you how to recharge the battery of this device. So first we have the USB-C port, just like a genuine Go4 here on the right side. Then on the left side you have here this little flap, which is pretty easy to open up, and underneath we find a USB-A port as well as an SD card slot. So this is not real, so JBL doesn't really produce anything like that, so that's how you know this is fake. And now the way that you charge this is pretty similar to a real Go4. You can either use the cable, the USB charging cable here, USB-C charging cable that comes with the speaker, and plug that in here. And then you can use, for example, here a phone charger, like an old style USB-A phone charger, or if you have any kind of other USB-C charging device, like for your laptop or for your Nintendo Switch or any other device that supports USB-C, then you can use that as well. So here in this case I'm using the charging cable from my laptop, and then you will see here underneath the flap by the USB-A port, you're going to see this LED lighting up in red, and this light indicates that the speaker is being charged right now. And so the full charge takes about 2 to 2.5 hours, and once the battery is fully charged, the light will simply turn itself off, and that's how you know the battery is fully charged. And now we can detach the charging cable again, and it's not critical that you detach the charging cable right away. You can leave it on there for a while. There's not going to be any overcharging going on or damaging of the battery. Okay, so this was already it for the video. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.